you a quick demo of soft reservations. The intent is to not oversell inventory. And the workflow is that an order gets placed and it has not yet been fulfilled. This can happen with a phone order. It could happen with an online order. And the idea is, you know, if I have 10 brownies and somebody orders 10 brownies, then, or trochees, then those trochees are still in inventory, but they're now soft reserved and no more trochees can be ordered. So the the actual quantity stays the same, but we'll see reservations and the available quantity will go from original quantity minus reservations. So for a very easy use case, this cartridge has 1 unit. And so we'll see that when I put 1 unit on an order, this will disappear from being able to be sold again before I even fulfill it. And then we'll look at this test prepack item. This is 1 gram prepacks, and this has 2 different batches, and we'll see it appropriately spreads out reservations across multiple batches of the same product. And so we have this consumer. Our cartridges, we'll add 1 to the order. And then our test prepack, we'll add 3. Now note, if I go back and search for the cartridge, it won't show here because it's now unavailable. Even though it's still in inventory and hasn't been fulfilled yet, it's on an order. It's got a soft reservation, which means the available quantity is now 0. So when I go to fulfill, we'll see different ways those reservations are relieved. So first of all, if I take an item off of an order, that will relieve the reservation. So now I can come back here and actually, let me do that again real quick because I didn't show the reservations. So we're going to re-add these 3 grams. Then we'll go to inventory, refresh it. And our first item, the cartridges. So we see that we have 1 in stock and then 1 reserve. And now I can actually click in the reservation history and see the state of this item on this order. 1 reserve, none fulfilled, and then the order in which this item sits, on which this item sits. And so then for the test pre-pack, where we had 2 different packages, and we put 3 on the order, we see now there's 2 reserved out of the one with 2 and 1 reserved out of the one with 1. And so back on the point of sale, okay, so test pre-pack, now we'll remove that again. And we'll refresh the inventory page. So now the inventory is back as far as the available quantity. There's nothing reserved. These are availably sold again. And then our cartridges item, we can fulfill that. Still in inventory, of course. Just fulfilled now, which means it's still reserved. And now complete the sale. Now the item will just be gone altogether. And that is soft reservations.